Cool. We can stop back when we come back off the bridge. Come on. Come on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oof. It's up for my car, don't I? I think. Stop. Good. Good. All the way back. How you doing? Back up. Back up. Come here. No, let me in front. Yeah.
I left my cat at home. I have a border collie. I took him on 2 years ago, and he's my buddy. And he's on home with my wife and son, and nobody wrestling with him. Running with the skates on.
I stopped up the road there. He kind of made his own friends and went in the building by himself without me even catching up with him yet. I don't know how bad it was going there. Okay. We're going to come back. Yeah, yeah. You don't have a lot of humidity here, do you? I don't think. No. Yeah. I'm from the south, and we have a lot of humidity there.
Oh yeah. I'm from north of Chicago, almost Wisconsin. I went all the way to the southern, as far south in Arizona as I could go. Visited my sister. Went to the coast of California. And now I'm heading home.
I'm getting there. This is probably about the most I went east. I went down the west coast over there for a little while.
First time I went west at all.
I was always Oregon coast.
I live like prairie land. This is so different. A challenge at first riding.
I stopped it.
Took a little getting used to it on the bike, but
yeah, it would be fun on the bike though.
Oh yeah, all these turns. You're coming in one gear, you hit the turn, you hit the downshift, brake, downshift, come on, turn. Give it gas, upshift, downshift. It's even when you slow down to 40, 45, you still got a downshift for the turn because you can't coast through a turn. You got to kind of be on power through a turn. You know, and be a little to understand that I can't coast through turns.
Wait a minute, stop. That's it. Good boy. Figure. What do these run? Like what are these or those run?
Oh, okay. The small ones are 15. These are 20 here.
Okay.
But there's some small ones in there too. 15.
Well, you I guess we're fine. I gotta get my billfold. Hold on. Stay there. Will you stay there? Probably not. Hold on. Toggle screw. The erection toggle screw was used in the construction of the historic Navajo bridge to maintain the bridge vertical elevation and as a means of lowering the bridge. Ah, cool. Oh, let's see. Cool. Come here, Rudy. 1928 Lewis Nest. Trying to get that without the glare on there, guys. I don't know if I can. Alright. Glare or no glare? Shade? I don't think the shade helps any. Come here. Have a neat little spot where they can come in, 6 yoke team oxen climb the historic Dugway Trail up from the Lee's Ferry, Navajo Nation. This is why I stopped. Got an elevator to work on it? Come on. I don't think I've seen the Colorado Bridge before. This is cool. I know, we're getting there. I had to stop for this though. Rudy, I'm not a fan of heights, but oh man, no jumping from the bridge? I mean, I can't throw anything from the bridge. Kansas City Structural Steel Company, huh? Arch 616 feet, total length 834, height 467. Come here. All right, cool. Come on. Huh? Come on. Oh, no puppy. Rudy, I think I made the right choice coming here. Come on. I wonder if this is the same Colorado River. Is it the Colorado River that has the white sturgeon in it? The big ones? I guess this is where they're catching the fish at then, huh? Oh, hold on. Oh, that would be cool to canoe down or kayak down, wouldn't it? What do you think? If that's her boyfriend, he just kind of walked off and left her behind, I guess. That's kind of messed up. Be a nice canoe ride, wouldn't it? In the shade. Kayak canoe. Hi, how you doing? Come on. We'll do this camera over. Move the other camera coming back, huh? How about that? He did. I think he just kind of walked off and left her. Come on, Bob. Come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. I think the shade on there, I think see, a lot of that fell off. Come on. Come on. No. Not everybody wants to be sniffed. I know it's hot. No humidity though. Come on. I didn't see any parking over here, but there's a tourist thingamajig thing over here. I don't think there was parking over here. You coming, bub? Come on. Come on, baby. We're getting there. I forgot to bring your water thing. I'm sorry. Daddy's being bad today, isn't he? Yeah, that would be cool with the kayak. Definitely be cool. You coming? Come on. I don't see them screw things anywhere. Oh, they're down underneath the bottom. Okay. Come on. Solar light. I'm not walking down there. If they got water over here, I'll get you some water, okay? Anybody know what the deal is with the stickers and stuff? Like on the poles, I've seen some people come up here and they start scanning some of them. I don't know what the deal is. That one's cool. See, I don't know what those mean. Advertising, I guess. Come here. Come here. See right in the sun. Come on. I guess there is parking. Where'd they get the parking at? Come on. Come on. I'm gonna have to speed this up a little bit. Got tinkle? Of course. Come on. Good thing you didn't do it on the bridge, I guess. Come on. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Condor. Come on, 10 minutes. Okay. 22 of them in the 1980s. 17 to 26 pounds. Lifespan up to 60 years old in the wild. Wow. Wingspan 9.5. Holy cow. Soar and glide up to 50 miles per hour. Regulation basketball goal 10 foot to the top. So, dang. Couldn't jump that high. Don't forget, guys, like and subscribe. Come on. Looks like the steel from that come from Kansas City, an hour from my hometown. Come on. Back to this restroom. Oh, like a camping area, right? Elevator. Looks like you can camp here, I guess. Huh, come here. Maybe, I don't know. Come on, babe. I mean, you got picnic tables. Life's Ferry. I'm not getting a good picture of that. I don't know about you guys. State of Arizona, 1961. Come here. Come on. Come on. Bathrooms. Bathroom is locked. That one is. Let's go this way. Come on. Oop. I don't think they're open, are they? Hold on. 9 to 5. 9 to 5. $1975. Hold on, man. Wait. Come here. Wait. All right. I know what you want. Come on. I know what you want. Bathrooms aren't open. Well, shoot. I think it's past 5, and I'm pretty sure. This ain't my phone. Nope, I don't have my phone. God dang it. Come on. I did have my phone. I guess I don't. Oops, sorry guys, wasn't paying attention. Good boy. I wonder where she's from. I don't recognize that tag. See, I don't want stickers all over the back of my car, do I? But I don't know. My car and my truck kind of had a couple of them, but she's going the other way. I really wanted to jump from the bridge today. Alright, bud, come on. There's the other side. Dang, got a fence up there even. Dang. Yeah, that would, I know I've said it before. This would be cool on a kayak coming down through there. Open kayak. Well, I don't know. Let me take that back. If you got any kind of rapids or anything, you're not gonna want the open one. But I don't know. Come on, buddy. What you see? Pretty cool? What you think? Come here, hold on. Come here. Come here. Hey, come here. Let me come over. I know you're hot. It's okay. Oops. Oh, no, don't lay down. Go ahead, make me get up again. Oh. Too bad, make you get up. Alright, come on. I'm sorry. We'll take it slower. You have my permission to bite me. Come on. We're getting there. What you smell? That's kind of cool because trash or the steel come from Kansas City. You want a breather? Lay down. Take a break for a minute. Take a break for a minute. Lay down. Stop. Lay down for a minute. Lay down for a minute. Sit. Sit. Take a break. Just lay down for a minute. I didn't see them earlier. There's one. The vulture there. Condor. Lay down. Down. Just lay down, relax a minute. You see it? He ain't moved in there. You can see a little bit of red. Maybe that's what that is. Alright, follow the camera. That glare is bad. I don't know if I'm getting him. Yeah, that's one of them. There's one up near. I can't see him on there. Look, zoom in. I seen that one, but it's the only other one I've seen.
Wow. Amazing. And you look completely disinterested.
Yeah, I forgot to bring his water across here, and I wasn't playing. I thought this was open over here, but it's not.
Really?
Huh? Yeah, he's friendly.
What's your name?
Rudy.
Rudy?
Yeah.
Like the movie?
I'm trying to think what movie.
Rudy.
The football.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Notre Dame football guy.
Yeah.
Walk on. That was my business partner's favorite movie of all time. He actually went and met that guy. He does these talks periodically. People pay to go and listen to him. He went and met him.
This ain't the biggest part of the Colorado, is it? I don't think.
No. It gets bigger. It goes down until they start drawing the whole water. It probably depends though on what what dams are releasing how much.
Oh, okay. Somebody told me this is the lady at the forestry thing said this is the driest year they've had this summer, I guess, or winter, I guess.
It's been pretty dry. It's been a pretty dry year. We had a lot of rain. We live in Tucson. We had a lot of rain in 22 and 23. 24 was really dry. And 25's been really dry so far.
They don't get much rain up here, do they? I don't think.
I think they get 8 to 10 inches a year. In Tucson,
Oh, wow.
We get 6 to 8. And we get 80 to 90% of that in July and August. They call it the monsoon season.
Note to self when you travel, or note to you when you travel. Carry padlocks and stuff with you. Stuff like that. Where was it? I seen the heart-shaped ones. San Francisco? Now, I don't know. I'm sure there's a place local you can buy them at, but I didn't see, and I didn't ask about it, but there's another one over there. Oh, there's 4 or 5 of them, or 6 of them, I think. Are you getting thirsty? I am. I was trying to kid. I didn't want to be the one to scare him off, so that's good. And then somebody has to bark, but you're a good boy. There's one. There's one way down in there. To the right, just above that dark rock. All right, I'm out.